Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can remove unwanted object from your video using Capcut application. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have created a project in my Capcut application, and for example, I'm going to remove this object from my video. If you want to do that, first thing first, we need to duplicate this video. Just tap the video like this until the video is active. As you can see by the outline that the video is active, and then we can scroll all the way to the right to find the duplicate option. This one, click on the duplicate, and now the video has been duplicated, and we can make it as an overlay. Tap on overlay, and then you can make the second video align with your first video like this. You just need to drag it, and then we can put mask to the second video. Click on the second video, and then you can scroll all the way to the right again to find the mask option, this one. And I recommend you to choose the circle mask so the result will look more natural. Just click on the circle, and you can take another part of your video to cover the unwanted object. And I'm just going to take this part and then click on this check mark and drag the mask to cover the unwanted object. Okay, you can keep adjusting until you're satisfied with the result. Once you're done, you just need to go back and check it. Okay, and now as you can see that the unwanted object has been removed from my video. Alright guys, and that's all the way to remove unwanted object from our video using Capcut. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.